To create a new episode, go to TV on the nav bar, and underneath that, click Episodes, and it'll take you to the episode page. Then scroll to the right, click New Episode, and here you'll input the show, which you will either have already created or it'll already be in our system, then the season and the episode number. Ignore grace note, but then for FC content length, put the number of seconds total in the episode, and then for the provider, you'll just mention Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, etc. And then the name of the episode. So not the number here, but the actual name. And then for the tagline, you'll just put that one sentence that's underneath the episode number in whatever provider you're watching it in. They usually have like a sentence or two, and that's what you'll input here. And then for air date, you'll put year, month, day, hour, and minute. And hopefully you'll have the hour and minute, but if not, that's okay. Just make sure you input year through day. And then staff favorite outfits is actually something you'll complete once you already have done all of your outfits. So we'll talk about this at the end, but remember that for now. And once you've put in your air date, you'll go to image. And this is either from the provider or from the official website. You can take an episode image, or you can screenshot a really great representation of the actual episode and then crop it to size. So here are your dimensions. And then you'll choose that file. And then for scenes, you'll do add a new scene, and you'll do it all under one scene. So it'll be one scene, and then add duration, it'll be 0, and then whatever second the show ends on, you'll put right here. So it'll be one scene, 0 to the end, and that's all you need for scenes. And for costume designer, if you don't know who worked on that episode, ask your data manager, but you can also do some research on Google and you'll be able to find it. So that's how you first create your episode. Once you're finished with your episode, you come back into the episode and you'll go to staff favorite outfits, and you'll select 3 to 5 outfits from the episode depending on how many outfits are in it. If there are more outfits, err on the side of 5. If there are fewer outfits, you can go for 3. But these outfits are the most fashion forward or the outfits that have the most exact matches. So make sure after every episode you select 3 to 5 outfits and input them there. And then you will mark Fashion Consultant completed and Audio Sync completed when your episode is totally finished. And when you're done and you're ready for review, you'll click those too.